It's really nice to come your way again. I hope you're all doing great and you're taking care of yourselves. Please stay safe. Today we are baking a very delicious and a simple recipe. We are baking garlic butter chicken and potatoes with some veggies tossed into it. Please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. You can share my videos, please make sure you comment down below. If you're new to this channel, thank you for passing by. Please subscribe, comment, and let's be YouTube friends. Let's get into it. Here's what you will need. You need 6 pieces of chicken drums, like this, with the skin or without the skin. You will need 4 pieces of carrot, a piece of onion, a large size red bell pepper. You need half a cup of chopped fresh parsley, about 42 grams of butter. You need about 6 pieces of red potatoes or any other potatoes or a mix of potatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon Italian spices or Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon dried thyme and dried bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of your favorite chicken spice, half a teaspoon of rosemary, half a teaspoon nutmeg. I have my shrimp cube here, it's one of my favorites, and I have a whole clove of garlic. Let's get into it. So we will start by seasoning the chicken. Throw it in a large container and just add a little bit of the olive oil. We are going to use the rest for the potato. This is my my shrimp cube. Add about 2 tablespoons of the paprika. We will use the rest of the last tablespoon for the potato. After that, divide your black pepper into 2. We use the half for the potato as well. Now throw in your Italian seasoning as well as your oregano, thyme and bay leaves go in. This is my chicken spices, a bit of nutmeg, as well as my rosemary. I'm going to add a little bit of salt because the shrimp cube has salt in it already. Now use your hand to coat every part of the chicken with the spices and let this sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, so that all the goodness, sip through every part of the chicken. Now let's move on to the potatoes. So cut them into smaller pieces. You can cut them into wedges or into sort of cubes or circles. Cut them as small as possible so that it cooks faster. Let's now go ahead and season our potatoes and all of the vegetables with the rest of our spices. Now use your hand or whatever you would like to use. Make sure that everything is coated. So after you're done seasoning the potatoes and the veggies, strategically place your seasoned chicken on top of all the goodness. Bake this in a preheated oven for about 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's make our butter, garlic and parsley drizzle for our potatoes. Stir in your whole clove, minced garlic. Now cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. and then add your parsley. After 2 minutes, stir in your chopped parsley. Cook this for just a minute. After 50 minutes, now drizzle all the butter, parsley, and garlic sauce onto the goodness and pop it back into the oven and cook for the last 10 minutes. Please be sure to give this recipe a try. You will really love it. It looks amazing and it smells delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Please be sure to subscribe, like my video, comment, and let's be YouTube friends. Thank you so much and see you next time.